Hey guys, it's me. How's it going? It's me. I hope everyone's doing good. So, the reason why I'm eating, I'm sorry. I'm coughing all over the keyboard. That's not good. Yeah. That was wet. I know, right? So, the reason why I decided to not stream was because the reason why I'm doing this is because, so I was up. Let me finish my sentence. The reason why was because, I was gonna do my lesson, and usually this person's like, no, you can't. You can't, cancel last minute. And then they heard me, and they were like, yeah, you know what? Let's, move it to next. Yeah, so now that I'm awake, I don't know what to do, and I guess go back to sleep somehow, and then and then yeah, so it's good. I'm drinking water. I should probably go take medicine. I took it yesterday too, but oh, oh, that's good. That's good water. Why are you doing a space? Cause why not? I thought some people are like, is she really sick? And so I was like, hell yeah, I am. I sound pretty sick, right? You can't really fake this. I feel like you can't fake this. Whoa, it's Maury Calliope. Oh, add to speak. Well, how do I do this? Add a speaker, invite to co-host. Yo, it's Maury Calliope. Speak. What the fuck? What? What did you just say? Really? Just like that? To a sick. I mean, she's also sick. I guess that makes. Oh, she's. I'm worse now. Why would she do this to me? Why would she do this to me?